stupid, ignorant South Africans who drink their head off like raccoons see their own white people in South Africa and they are licking their butts like dogs. You cannot pretend and you people acting like we don't know what is going on in there. The foolishness is getting out of hand. Sit down and analyze issues. Don't politicize matters. Let your government know they have failed Africa. After all these things, yeah, Nigeria for the krata babon say, omonso ayo imagine say, now what you be see me next week, you know. Nigeria for almost South Africa. If we say the South Africa for no every year or this year, no, Sebio almost who say entire year. Into Nigeria for so person who free Ghana ho, the Ghana for year, the John Mahama buying through the Foreign Affairs Ministry, the deputy and the minister himself, Jachi Question, and Okujato Blackwa, Jumadi Omedi, Etumidi Ghana for Eba Ghana no. Nigeria for person who Ghana for Nantie, almost I imagine say from next week, you know, Omeko South Africa. Now Sebio this year more South Africa. This has to tell you something. Abanwe is setting a pace. It's setting some good record. It has become a role model to a lot of African countries. You see, Matisse Nipa Bebre Kasa say, yen closes South African companies down or Ghana. Yen shut down MTN. Yen shut down Goldfields. Yen shut down. You see, when issues like this come, I know tempests are all over the place, but Abambia and very calculated, you know. They just don't take decisions in the middle of such chaos. I know this government will take some decisions. I know this government will take decisions that are decisions it will not have an aftermath effect on Ghanaians. Even with Ghanaians are almost South Africa, almost krata. So at this point, I believe say, and I can say Ghana for nyabutre. At least we know for now, say, the government of the day, no, is ready to rescue Ghanaians in South Africa, go through a lot. But we need to also understand, say, even when you want to take a decision or you want to take an action against the South African people, the government has to be very tactical and smart about it. The government has to understand to say, that decision now will be taken in there, no, and your decision later it will affect your citizens if you are South Africa. Because as we speak, there are some people in South Africa almost so much closer ties in South Africa, they will not be able to come to Ghana. And say, Opesa will take action. You don't want to take an action that will escalate the situation. And remember, Ukrom for the will be Krum. There are few South Africans in Ghana. In fact, I don't think that there are more than 100 South Africans in Ghana. And we need to understand to say, when it comes to taking decisions like these, when it comes to decision a bit to me, and so ama situation are escalating, we need to be very careful the way we take those decisions. So I wouldn't say where people calling for South African companies to be shut down and the government taking action, no, they are wrong. I don't think they are wrong, but I believe the government has to be very calculated in its decision making. They need to use a diplomatic way of also reacting, but the reaction should not, at the end of the day, affect its citizens that live in South Africa. Because whether you like it or not, they are still Ghanaians in South Africa. So we need to be very tactical about it. We will have to still react. We need to also retaliate, but we need to retaliate diplomatically. We need to retaliate in a way where economically we will not lose. We need to retaliate in such a way, say, our people in South Africa will not be affected. So I agree. People are angry. People are pissed off. But this is a situation whereby the people you are fighting with, they don't travel. There are less South Africans in Ghana than Ghanaians in South Africa. So before you take a decision as a nation or as a government, you need to be very calculated about it. Obianim said, it's against human rights. And in fact, if the AU is a very important, and I say, an associate, if the union is, it's not a useless union, and assembly you can see. Here time as South Africans, start to say more treaty other African Africans in their country. The AU has been quiet. For rights are being abused in South Africa every single day. We see it on TV, we see it on social media, but the AU, which is a very useless association, they have not been able to take an action. Because the AU is basically a very useless association that only thinks about money, how they'll be able to sell Africa minerals, how they'll be able to sell the African to the European, to the American, how they'll be slaves to Americans and Europeans. So the AU has become one useless entity. It cannot help Africa now. And the better we come to that conclusion, say, AU cannot help Africa, it will help us to understand, say, moving forward as Africans, we need to find other means of coming together as Africans to do what? To save ourselves. Because if we rely on our leaders, if we rely on these stupid people who don't think about their citizenry, because majority of the leaders at AU don't care about what is happening in South Africa. But I can tell you for a fact, most of the African countries, they have their citizens in the in South Africa, but they don't care because it's all about money. It's all about what they are going to get. It's all about how they will look good in front of the white man. It's all about selling our natural resource to the white. So they don't fucking care about what is happening in South Africa, because AU are very effective. South Africa should be under sanction by now. If the AU as a union, if they are intelligent and effective, not a corrupt group of old men who are basically greedy, just abusing the power we have given them, South Africans should be under some sanctions by now. But South Africans feel the AU is useless. They don't care about the AU. That's why its citizenry, they keep doing what they are doing. I've told Ghanaians, I've lived in South Africa before. South Africa, for me to say, moi, I'm telling you. And say Julius Malema, Eka Asemi. Let's go listen to Malema on this South Africa issue. Maybe I'll react to Julius Malema's statement.
AU, the Ghana response was not necessary because it now creates an impression that we are all like that, when it is a certain section of our society that needs to be contained by law enforcement. And one Ghanaian lady was saying, you see, the problem is, and I wouldn't have taken this option. The problem is we're being beaten in front of the police, and the police are not doing anything. That's the problem. And when this opportunity came for me to leave, I left, because if the police can't defend me, it means the state is in agreement with the people who are beating me. So we think it was too quick. We'll still resolve this. And President of Ghana should have given us, some time to really deal with this matter, and we'll get to the bottom of it. We hope they will come back to their senses. We don't have to respond the same way they did. We need to pursue the diplomatic engagements with Ghana until we find one another. We don't think Ghana responded in a manner that really reinforces dialogue and diplomatic engagements. It actually creates a very bad, extreme situation, which is not. It's a selected few, and we are pursuing and persuading government to still act on those few. And we're saying to them, they must give us some time, they must be patient, and those who don't feel safe, especially the legally documented Ghanaians, should be able to run to police stations for safety, and then they will be directed to rightful places where they will be secured. But, it's an emotional issue for many of them, understandably so, but the reaction of government should have been, postponed a bit to give us an opportunity to deal with what is happening here in South Africa.
My last question.
This is a typical South African. This guy is a typical South African politician. Julius Malema. He's a typical South African politician. This guy used to shine the shoes of Jacob Zuma. And you see how he's downplaying the situation. You see the level of deception he's trying to put across. His interest is to clean his country. Julius Malema does not care who is killed on the streets of South Africa. What he cares about is that he wants the government of the day to look bad, create an impression around the world that everything in South Africa is okay, and that people should not see them as monsters. That is what he's doing. He's playing. It's a show to him. So for him to even open his mouth to say the response from the Ghanaian government was unnecessary shows the level of hypocrisy and deceit in this shoe shine. How long has this been going on? How long have we seen people go after other citizens who live in South Africa? We have seen it on social media. The president of the republic, the South African president, spoke on this matter. But still, South Africans did not even see him as a human being. They saw the president as a fool. They never respected his words. We have seen so many videos of policemen guarding people who are hunting human beings. We have seen stupid South Africans who have not been to school before in their life and don't know their left from right. Illiterate, baboons who are still living in 2026 as animals, hunting other human beings because in their head, somebody came to their country to take what belongs to them. But these same stupid, ignorant South Africans who drink their head off like raccoons see their own white people in South Africa and they are licking their butts like dogs. This is an issue that is not supposed to be treated with this kind of soft gloves. The government of the Republic of Ghana, the government of Ghana took the best decision. The interest they took is the interest of Ghanaians who live in South Africa. The government of Ghana is not like you people. It's not as stupid as the South African government that is not able to address issue to the core. The government of Ghana is not stupid to ignore SOS call from its citizens who at the end of the day are basically contributing economically to your selfish, lazy asses in South Africa. Julius Malema is just an actor. He's doing politics. He had two missions. The first one was to clean his country to the world, that it's not a country full of racist, black racists, ignorant black racists. And secondly, he wanted to look good in front of his political opponents. That is what Julius Malema was doing. The foolishness in the eyes of you South Africans, thinking that you know more than anybody, but you are the most daft people on this planet. Very lazy people, ignorant people who don't want to educate yourselves. What we have seen on social media, the kind of things we have witnessed, you this daft head who lead a group of ignorant fools in South Africa thinking you can go after black people while the same foolish white people in South Africa are treating you like dogs. You cannot convince me that what is happening in South Africa is not affecting other Africans. You have no moral right. You foolishly go to bed at night in your mansion, in your stupid, corrupt mansions, while people are being chased out of their homes. Foolish man. Your people stay in cages and call it sheds. They are lazy. They drink like mad people. They rape your women and are lazy to work. People come to your country to build your economy, and you think you can set your human dogs on the street to go after hard-working Africans who are living legitimately in your lazy country. Who the fuck do you people think you are? And who do you think you can deceive here? Shameless people. Foolish people who think that they can always be licking the butt of the white man but see their other Africans as enemies. You are stupid. Go back to your foolish parliament and address the white people there and stop inciting your ignorant black South Africans from going after our brothers and sisters in your country. How many of you work? I have lived in South Africa before. I have stayed in South Africa for almost 2 years. You are the most laziest people on this planet. You live like dogs. You drink, you have sex, and you walk around like dogs with guns. You have no knowledge. If you people don't want anybody to live with you people, we understand. But do not come and act on TV and pretend as if you care. You don't fucking care. Your little head like Inzulenzu. And you sit there and you talk trash because you think this is another drama. You think this is another joke. The government of the Republic of Ghana, they respect its citizens, whether in Ghana or out of Ghana. They will protect every Ghanaian who is being abused in Ghana or out of Ghana. They are not like you dogs who think that every human being should be drinking, having sex, and fooling around. This is Ghana. We are not South Africa. This is going on for over months. And you people have done nothing about it because behind the scenes, you support the barbaric, stupid actions of your people on the streets. And you expect Ghanaians to reciprocate this same nonsense you are doing? Do you think the African continent is made up of animals like your grandfathers and your grandmothers and your granddaughters who are walking on the street aimlessly like animals? You need to reason up. South Africa cannot develop alone. None of you guys can build South Africa. You people are too daft to understand. That is why the white people always treat you people like dogs, because you have failed to use your conscience to understand that now you will need people to help you liberate yourselves. When you people wanted power from the white man, you were walking around like dogs seeking the help of other Africans. Today, you make your shiny face like a rat living in KwaZulu-Natal, telling us nonsense. A stupid brat. You people need to talk to your people. If we all decide to go after your people around Africa, do you think any of your guys will live? The stupidity of a stupid South African. We know where you people are coming from. We know the help we gave you people where you were in the dark. We know how you were treated, how we came together to put money together to save you, your dirty asses. Today you go after other Africans and pretend you know nothing about it. You are a bunch of fools and you can never survive as black South Africans. I'm telling you, it's a fact. The white South African will always control you people because you were even told in the past that when you eat fish, your teeth will come out. That is how weak-minded some of you black South Africans are. The white man told you when you eat fish, your teeth will come out like pigs. So you refuse to eat fish till date. You eat meat like dogs. You need to reason and understand that we are talking about human lives. We are talking about people's fundamental rights. What you don't want South Africans to go through in other countries, don't ever wish it for anybody in that your country. The stupidity of these South Africans, they want to pretend and act as if we are all stupid. If you decide to retaliate, do you think your people will survive? Because you are lazy, you don't travel. Because you are lazy, you don't want to learn. Because you are lazy, you don't want to open your horizon to understand how the world works. Most of you are foolish. I have lived among you people. And you live like dogs in small sheds. These Africans coming to South Africa are the people who basically brought civilization to you black South Africans. The Nigerians, the Ghanaians, the Mozambicans, the Zimbabweans, people from other parts of Africa, they brought civilization to you people. You sit in South Africa and these whites treat you like antelopes. And you come and tell us Ubuntu. Fuck the Ubuntu. You have no intelligence to lead any black South African. You think this is politics as usual? You think this is what you can use to win political points? We are talking about a government that is empowering foolish people to go after their fellow Africans. Nelson Mandela came to Ghana begging like a child because he needed money to go fight for an election, for the ANC to win power, for you black South Africans to be seen as humans, not to be shot at like dogs. Today you want to prove that you are intelligent than anybody. We are the ones who made you who you are today. The liberty and freedom and that thing you are enjoying in South Africa was because of us. Because if Mandela had not won that election, you dogs would be in the plantations working like dogs. You need to reason up. This is 2026, nigga. You cannot pretend and you people acting like we don't know what is going on in there. The foolishness is getting out of hand. Sit down and analyze issues. Don't politicize matters. Let your government know they have failed Africa. This is what it did to some Ghanaians. Oba, the only year in South Africa, a bromo bunko for South Africa. Now, this story too is very important. If a year Nadmu, a year Accra, Omaka Simbia, I think is a very important. A year Greater Accra Regional Director of National Disaster Management Organization, Dennis Nate Ajano, is urging residents in flood-affected communities to relocate to safer areas to prevent further loss of property and ensure their safety. The Greater Accra Regional Director of NADMO, or say, omote insuato and the year form also, especially around Wager area hono. Say see an NADMO at the information at Trabontin say Munina Muntun free horses na insuno ebe pejanimu, bebie dam no. In so air to talk into this is a caution. The regional director of NADMO, Greater Accra Regional Director.
Yesterday we had a hectic time controlling the fishermen. We had to open another estuary to improve the flow of the spillage, but they were struggling with it because their fishes would move from that area. So we had a hectic time. So Ghana Police, we may need your presence as well. So we have informed the 48 engineers and other collaboration with Ghana National Fire Service, who will also be there. So the people should just move. They are thinking about their property. This is not time to think about your property because there is the likelihood that the dam will spill more. For now, what they are doing is controlled spillage. And they've opened 3 gates now. So if they receive a lot of intake from the Insawam Dam, then they have to open extra gate, and it means that the volume is going to increase. So we are pleading to all the people living along the banks that evacuation is in the process. They should also try and help us so that we evacuate.
It's NADMO for the information about Mamon Kase Yankan Chiremo. NADMO, Greater Accra Regional Director, or say around a year wager, Damono, Omufre be control a spillage. Jesiano, Omumbian Yamubian Kakranka because Omun say, Monipani bebre, motetiti in Sunano. Mumu bebre, Matuton Sase, Akon Sason, Acheman Sason Manson, Abubotu, Aton Sase, Sinsium. NADMO Director Nekacham say, Munina, Mun free ho. Mema ochina obi nkogina radio so nkogina TV so say yanka nkyereye ena nsu afameba anadwi yesi mu mfiri ho mo amadwi se mo si mo bo mo pese mo be free ho no nsu fa obi kuna mema obi ambebie na no nka say yanka nkyere mo. This is a public announcement. NADMO for aye bibia so mo protect mo Ghana for omo the information aba omo ka kyere mo amote around wager mo amote ti nsu na no mo nsu mo hu se nsu e fa mo dan wo ye nipa insuo efa wo dan a uhu insuo eyira fa wo dan ho a uhu yesi monkope beebi ntena animanim ya na oda ho anadwo na insuo ni yiri fa wo na se kun ba ana ekun ankasa membe gina o ma obi mbeka se aban na nka nkyereye obi anka bibia nkyereye eye national issue na ye nyina ye deal with inti ende masheda ntina benya abotre abo eye regional director NADMO omo pegini no asem fisherman for ni bi na mo amuyiyi nam no mo so aya amomwa omo because nyome bi wo na mo ye no mo kase munjai omo na omo kon school omo na omo nim senior omo betumi a save situation no enti so omo ba na omo kase I say muntu free on na ye bie dam na ebeku nipa muntu free on na muntie every say wuwu a ye ma obi insurance ma court mabubobotuo mabodua mwatwenkofo ase akoton saase wo nsuom yetumufo amonte mena wo kasei obi eku obi age asase esidan wo so we sidan wo nsuom mena wo kasei obi te dan mo da ho court edan ni si nsuom yetumufo amonte mo sorry anamo mumu bi mo tata nipa jeje o mo saase at the end of the day na nsuom saase na moto se sebio se munim se de bebia motene nya muntu ya ka kire mo. All right, now AMA for PRO akasa mumientie asama waka. AMA omo public relations officer or say your friend Gilbert ni Ankra ni in explain show ebo a statement or yan crying into na menene kan crying ni a explain imbo. I am appealing to Ghanaians, please stop throwing rubbish into gutters. Keeping the city clean is a collective responsibility. Ni efutunye enter komot ni dia wo kan enko bebia ni minke efutu Ghana advice nimbo minke advice collect trash social collective responsibility blofu bo bole brofu bole brofo ne so dia wo kan yentie o se Ghana for paul mo chew say Ghana for one kind any Ghana nyina no sebio yenjai ball na yetutugu no na yen nyina yenya baako emfa maka kyeremo. Let's take a decision you be convert a problem way into a solution. Ni ankra ni ankra minke a statement a statement a limit imbo a bibio a come incho a enter left a come out right in Ghana mi bibio trash imbo a trash, a disconnect, a concentrate, a convert trash into something profitable. The American say ni a foot away, omonfa. Mamen, and I know you are doing your job. I know you are being honest. I know you are trying to prove to Ghana for say, Ondo Ghana, and Jay. Ball and no more, you know. Sasamu Okari, Omonte, they don't care. Yen started, na advocate. They am pressurizing a buying on for air recycling companies in Ghana. Now yen ton ball no, yen ton free omo. Ye top ball na, omo beton wa maye, omo nya ball ani biem. But advice, sit, speak grammar, breakdown, bibio, akra, respect, responsibility. Brofu, bole, brofu bole, bole, chon. Brofu no suson. a responsibility collective, a mashi, a listen to brofo, a brofo bole, brofo ne song, and se I'm telling you, we have been talking for about 60 years about managing our waste in Ghana. We need to move to the next stage whereby we can let people understand waste is money. Let us move from there. Waste is money. We need to start buying the waste. We need to let the government understand the say. We need companies that will recycle our waste in Ghana. Solid, liquid waste, we need to find a way to recycle them. Maka some way. And he is a very nice guy. You can see the way he's smiling. Yeah, he smiles like Ghana. He's going on Ghana got talent, and the way he's smiling and looking left. Ni, you are a very nice guy, very very handsome guy, and I know your wife too is a very beautiful lady. But ni advice, Ghana mimbo win list listen imbo, listen imbo, yentie because ye pebola, ye pia botina ye hu bola, ye be a bola oho until you convert bola into money. They will not listen. Ni. Make another statement. Me show statement in Bo. We AMA have prosecuted over 100 sanitation offenders, yet people still dump waste into drains. Ni a statement, a result, a show bole. Prosecute 100 people sanitation offenders. People continue attitude in minke attitude. Enokonoko in changing Bo. Attitude is stagnant. Me care and confona what you go for mu. Yeah, bola, yeah, nene, yeah, Johnson, yeah, sugar got him and fire what you been today. Oh my God, you saw the Pobonini, Uni and say, go school by and I walk what you been in a boy prison because I have bola, ni so ni enkebo, almost to warning, ni be careful, that is what they will tell you. Ni. I am telling you, the people you have arrested, they don't care. Ghana people don't care you have arrested somebody because they will tell you are a very bad Christian. Ni a small boy, area, Legon, camp school, AMA, ni, right now, ni, inkebo, big boy, arrest, son of Mecca, right now, need your ass or a big boy, and on what you go for, Obezaka smart also. Ni. They would turn the matter and make you look like a bad man. Let us convert trash into money. That is what we can do. The AMA should bring the KMA, the DNDMA. You people should bring your experts together to write a solid proposal, present to the president, the government, that this is how we have to go. This is the way to go. We need to now buy trash from our people. Nationwide, that is the only way. We need to force the government to bring in investors or companies that are into recycling. We need a major, at least every region, we need about 2 major recycling plants in every region. Then we start to buy the trash. Our people will sell it to you. Listen. A blofo, a ball, a blofo, a explain intellectually, a prove a scholarship, a school, ni school be bioga manche en kebu school. Min ke 100 people a prosecute gamanche in kebu, Accra in kebu. There are so many people living in Accra. Your Dagati for your crime for your Bole for your Infante for your. These people they don't care. They don't care about your grammar. Or near obeto. Or did you obeto ball and that to go got him? You need to force the people to understand that trash is money. Ni like you, no homo. Like you are, like you are. Like you ni. Explain issues to Ghana. Me show first statement. Honest statement. In pleading, appealing. Say keeping the city clean is a collective responsibility. Key ni Accra people end here statement mbo. Statement Accra we ni me live Accra citizens able. AC statement as ni Bibio ofane a majority the C statement is a obulu statement. Me care you ni me care. I care majority of people ni ofane taflache. Bibio Asante Wale, Infante Wale, Dagati Wale, Bono Wale, a convert in Accra. A C statement as offered the ni na flache. A statement a bulu statement. Omu usanko si asem na okane ni. Ni I hope you are listening. So we need to move over this advice is not working. It's not going to work. Let's be honest. Any statement after statement, a tell imbo statement, a ceremonial statement, a impact, a low. I knew, you know that this statement does not make any impact. The people don't care. Ni brofo da, brofo bibi brofo da, ni brofo da, brofo da ni. Enkrafo mama me kru kakra. So we need to be very, very serious about this. Ni e brofo da, brofo bibio e punch low current. Ni minke e people di udema mincha so on the American. You understand what I'm saying? So let's find practical solutions to this. But the advice and this, I know you are doing your job. You are letting people know you are also working. They have to pay you. But this, I know this one is not going to go anywhere. We are very dirty people. We shit and roll. We know that is what we do. Ghanaians, from the north to southeast, we shit and roll. We shit and roll. We don't care what is going to land. It can land in somebody's head, on somebody's head. We don't care. We shit and roll. We shit and roll. We are born filthy. We are born dirty. Our environment, it entices us to be dirty. We live in an environment whereby every corner we can hide trash. We live in an environment where every drainage system, every gutter is open. We live in an environment where there are a lot of places to keep trash. Let us make the trash money. Let us turn it into money. Let people see trash as an investment. That's what we need to do. If we don't start buying the trash, a statement, brofo da, brofo, ebibio, brofo da, Enti nkanfo de meka nya omote ase obi aso ti de meka na se we a problem be no ni nyina na medwedwe mu ma no. What's going on here? This is my guy. All right, so let's move on. Now, this story is also another story. Right now you're a Metropolitan Assemblies almost stories in and this is in the Ashanti region, Kumasi to be specific. KMA secures 100 million to complete Krofo Market project. You see a year Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Let me read the story. Said the Beya Kwasiebi Enkase Kevin Abechantro. The Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly has secured 100 million through the Social Investment Fund under the Ministry of Finance to support the completion of the Krofo Market project and enhance economic activities within the metropolis. According to estimates by the project consultant, Vanguard Limited, a total of 179 million Ghana cedis is required to fully complete the long-delayed market project. The Chief Executive Officer of the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, Richard Ofori Ajiman Bwedi, said the intervention became necessary because the allocation from the Assembly's shares. I'll take this again. The Chief Executive of the KMA, Richard Ofori Ajiman Bwedi, said the intervention became necessary because the allocation from the Assembly's share of the 24-hour economy project was inadequate to complete the project. Now, Asantimemu, Asantimai, KMA boss, Mr. Richard Ofori Ajiman, Unkofo nyina friend, Zuba, Sespak Zuba, Uhuna or Sespak. Or you training ye or no to from South Central Anopa to a Bantama, or you'll be at the Niji training home into Bunguzubano, they be a flat tummy, or you're one of those very energetic young men, minimum power your bossini. And or say a Krofo Market na nipebi edi a MPP for term ADK me boss at term ewa santimemu. In fact, di a year Ashanti Regional Minister na term and the Finance Minister releases sika a year 100 million Ghana cedis say fan complete a year a year Kumasi Krofo Market. Now, project here about 179 million Ghana cedis. But Abino through the Finance Minister a year Mr. Atofos, with me releasing 100 million Ghana cedis to say and to me and start the project na eka baby omedua also de so the best so na a year came a boss eka so say a year assembly almost sika kakra to be generated through the 24-hour economy municipalities to me generating or say enough and into I'm a finance minister and now the finance ministry a step in almost sika a year 100 million Ghana cedis Ediama a year KMA say omonfa NC Krofo Market na asante for ye na nanom ye sisters ye aunties omo asante memu a omo di MPP for atem dodo no ye nuanom asante for ni ma ni bia se bi oma no e ya omo di atem enche no mo to asifom etwi omo to ase efri se omo party any power no ye maamefo no bi na omo asantime mo ye MPP for omo ni nso ade omo enye grateful ye ade omo ma sebio enso omo ni no omo mu bi na omo di MPP echi a omo ni so eye gare gele ene emu konko no ende NDC aban say through eye KM boss no Ato Forsen, a finance minister, no, we 100 million Ghana say, yan fancy crow for market, no, send your bear, yama menum bina, omo MPP na, omo ye boy, boapaye, omo kanu kre, omo di konkonsa di ni partem no, omo subenya, sebio, ejumebia yena, omonsa akoma no. Nanka me pese NPP for more santimum air demonstration, etia sa dewe. Na mejen say Ashanti youth Ashanti form memburu ni bi na omo agimi na party adokoro omo na omo se omo de MPP nti omo dane ensankwas omo dane edwamanfo ensakwarefo agimifo eti MPP mu no na mejen say omo press conference aka say omo tia sa de we because media minim say MPP fo ni bi omo Ashanti fo no emudodo no omo tia mpuntuo eni tira mpuntuo ba na ebi mu afe omo to and the NDC aban 100 million Ghana. Say Crowford market no Zuba King Zuba enhwe so KM boss no mo fancy edwa na asantifo ni bi omo ye MPP fo na beye adokro omo se de Johnson abo akokọ no omo ntumi enkoje adwuma na omo nsanka oma no se ne beye anoda wa ekeka nsem ekeka nkwase asem nti omo benya aduane edi na enkwase akeka no omo mu bie jaika wadwa sa de we nyina mpanifo ne bube omo se anoda wa ekeka nsem MPP ni a wajimi a sebio okeka nsem odi atam enim nyansa no ye Crowford market wi obenya adwuma ye ano na nka odi bedi nkwa asem no odi bedi mahama atam no odi beka nkwase asem no odi be pra nkofo aka se medwuma nie mometo bode mometo ko obi sa ano ededa ho e kansem no and the NDC e ka sa ano na tum enti me expect say MPP for mo asantime mu no me press conference aka se omo mpesika we na Zuba nsanfa nkonkran na omo MPs 47 no omo konkran omo do omo ntɔhwɛ de sika ne beba odwa boy we di odi atam dodo we hin na medi watam enti ejebo 100 million aba ye de besi Crowford no mo a mo se mo ntia ser mo nya demonstration say ema NDC aban ema KM boss ema aban na ete no enye ye twan Ashanti group kwasiafo sa mrantie na mano no wi mo ho kan mo mrantie anka mo tia santime mo prempuntio no mama MPP yusu mu bi se moa mo sore Ashanti youth ene enti we ase me be se mo ye press conference na ka se sika we mo mpe kwasiafo sika no be free ba Mumubi mwejim se to MPP edidi mumu enti mu sere nsue nyansa mu MPP fo ni bi na moti asantime mu no sampu ntudwuma we ya me maame onti asantime mu me se wa sebio mebusuafo onti asantime mu a omo benya store ni bi atenem mu a mu di konkonsa didi atamu bodua a mo de motu sisi fom mu nananom ye akue chanfo a mo ni brade no mu a mu ho eyie na mu funu a mo tetewe no mu bia MPP fo no mo na ye be ye sa adwa we amamo me pese mo kasa mo mpe because yet krom ha ena mumu bi ka che say kejeti an kra ye mpe because ya papa kofo and this is kejetia aka opposition from 2016 8 years ya tena santimemu edi moko edi nchire edi boto edi doto edi konkonse we wiase nyina di ni patem Crowford market from Kofo time besi ekufo ado time besi baomia mo entumi ankasa nchire MPP mo ensi enso yenye bi moma twoma no sa pranking smack kan kwase asem yesi dwa we wi me ma me na betinem and mo besa mo say kejeti a mo MPP for na mo asantime mu no ye ma mo kwan sa na mo de akue cha ba ye didi atro kan kwase asem
akue cha me tetafo na me baton fish ewo asafo market ya me be wa no hwe me da bia no pa me so dia oyem tema me awia ne ama me eto afufu awime so ne asebo me efiri se dum so ba me ba no fish adaka duasa ne akoto agu kwa eti na me ba no onya sika ma me na me de didi efira no pa me ba me ni di yo eno ani bodo se hwan ana bedu ha no mato bi die me ba nya sika ma me wo boss ante se de adwuma no nya dum so abro wa de me na ye nyina firi dum so me tia si me de me sumu ho de mu ya ansa me da fom birim mama adai ade ani aye maya wa abro wa tu ma me won te se me a Mama mi huna mani say. To me tell me the demonstration and me kon come some to watch them mama. No who me mabo. They do say when yana me bed to turn fish when you see come matter the anedi. And my baby and better say and this if one say MPP for say. Then the mama MPP for no you crying in MPP. They were back and uncle for the annual crying in MPP. Me bati yesi baby di etobo engomodi anuma ko bu agweni pa kura mubugu ya wade wa aboa what one and die will be a go on your demonstration bibi a musi MPP for na ye say na ye woni pa omo woni pa che mudia and ye fe mun sore so musi MPP for na ye say be a go on your demonstration bibi a musi MPP for na ye say na ye woni pa omo woni pa che mudia and ye fe mun sore so the mama so ntimi a we nya bone eno ase me na me ka ye so meboa go on your demonstration Bibi a musi MPP for na ye say na ye woni pa omo woni pa che mudia bibi a musi MPP for na ye say na ye woni pa omo woni pa che mudia bibi a musi MPP for na ye say na ye woni pa omo woni pa che mudia and ye fe mun sore so bibi a musi MPP for na ye say na ye woni pa omo woni pa che mudia bibi a musi MPP for na ye say na ye woni pa omo woni pa che mudia and ye fe mun sore so the mama so ntimi a we nya bone eno ase me na me ka ye so meboa no nyama de obetimi betena ho no wanhwe na mere waye mobo
NPP South Central so communications director na hu ni sa no ekue cha o me be start free here so mo te so na say yete so na yete hwe obeji so ni freni we dia brewa onko school da hwe we na hu ni sa no you was sabe 4 million gwa santimemu ogi say easy we na hu ni sa no sa ni age group no you be 2 million sheshe dem ya ba ni hata obone dem akwhye dem ya wo mu ofie pe ya wo akora kin osoma na brabaje na nka we de nkanya NDC fo anka sika we prenum anka timi tontoma wa kato akora ritiri me say ekwecha group no ni classmate fo no ya wo say ya be 2 million omo hyehye dem wasantimemu omo no me communicators no osoma no pa no wachinchi kukuru kra na kwakoto inshira ochinchima kukuru kra na kwakoto Ash FM Osrano pa kukuro de mana kwakoto Kesbin not the whole day. Ain't sana say my mention be am indoctrinate asantefo nkwara into MPP. Ain't omo ofia emrewano. Osrano pa amwaku wen sata amwaku we di 4 osa onim politics. Amwaku wen amwaku no wen omsa amwaku owa amwaku brother na fro una na ekuata. Amwaku bra na where did he Osima mimi eno mindi bibia menka bibia hyemu wedi for obube eno menka bibia hyemu nti woni na mawundware ye meboa beji no we yisika wabo de ntoma no wesipo no we yi no we bie po no we yi otumi bia 10 Ghana anase otumi yi bia e bia 5 Ghana oyi anu abobo osihwe wa hwe amakunu made we osi nana minim osi sasika we Yana na ya papa kufo be di so abai sasike na nka esika pa ene hwe o mfa ntutumi ntɔhwe otina na kufo ne wan unim kufo je wo de to eyi mami oton emo ne nkatenkwan to bi bra to mani si prenum na on to mani si 5 cities otoba pe osifesi dem wo wo de si wo ye yi na si wo eyi won we yi na si frag ne shirt ne tambra na dia gun trunk ne so no obeba no kuta kufo flag no kuta shirt no kuta Ghana at 50 cap osifesi oduma ne kro indoctrination no sa de we ye na nakofo ye papa asantini na ona na di obedi president ne picture kura simpa no so kofa bra indoctrination akura we di for onim hwe was start brain no enti odi yo so wan cap we me say ye tena krom ha na ye di ahome kura ye nje ye nim de ye nya ye ho amako otina na sa me say ye brim ye ni ye ko de ye sempase na manfo di echi me say anadwo ye ndidi oni ada ene nipa na ntimo de o se hwe amako se mpo de mo watomo sa nsuo de bibra me akora we di 7 o brain wash no start ondi nkankan nipa o ye sa de nyina wo twen odi nkan hyehye gu ni tirim owia na o de nipa ne din atoso eno ana de wan nti nipa be na esa me say me maame amako mpo de wa meto de se busa o maame nana me say ya bruna ma ye say yakeka ono ni facto yakeka mesi yakeka me papa yesi ye brimu ni sei soja fo buti ano ka om di boni yem yakeka sata na misa ada go boy mesi amako sata na misa yakeka kire se the speculation no ba akora no otie ni na 19 na ka no kure yakeka mesi me papa ye brim ni papa e de na waye me papa de hian se sinkofo store ke bobotwe na papa so koto nyoma kakra obeton onka kasa ne papa ye kokaya kalabule wo da bi ena me wofa onana okofa eye ntuma kakra ena ofa eye sardine kakra ena ofa emuya na sebio okofa nyoma kakra na oton mankofo me say ejuma kakra bia na entinyoma no na nyoma ekruma ehunti na oton kakra onka sani kunu no ne papa ye kromfo a na okotu nyoma na wabegire so onka ena me say dako ofie yakeka Ekuecha group no sa no mde ye nkwara no wasantimem yakeka me say enwumre be no nsia tete wasata mi sha na me kura de wanyini chan me na me di be ye mfie mienu me say ena soja fo bowura fie no mubusa me papa nanampa me si jai obo bowura ye dem ho keka nchansi bo mu omukotwe nyoma free ye mpase me si papa onye hwe funana no ye nipa se kokum o hyehyɛ nkomo no o hyehyɛ eba be si jeje rollers so me say omutwe papa se omutwe na se me se santasi dwom de omde ye me kunu me papa se na when e dis adwuma no me say yenkasa o na nsempo de yetumi kasa kofo ba ye na yetumi kasa yetumi kyerɛ de adwene na yeso yetumi koba me say na yentumi kasa bra ya bra amwako osina na when na ntimi odinsa na me say eyi papa ya omuti eyi carpenter ni osi efo papa na oteje fa Rollins the club ni no wakona efo mu ahyem awonafo ni nyina ye akora ni enemy because right now no efo nebusuani na bebo me nana papa inti ese efo ye enemy inti akora ni nyine no wedi nka fa no ho adwira fa efo ho inti omo muti awonaga no akora ni nyine nya odwo mo masefo ne Rollins no mbebo ye nananom inti dani trim indoctrination ho na start ebo so mtete wa na ba ko so aba etwe na abra na nkata mka form ya kwa yie no me say kwamna na meka na asem yo se di asem se dia ya fam okrom ha ye nananom ya keka tie ya keka ni nyina speculation ya keka o se na afi na wo ka kira kure ena wo so di ne bone de me se dia Rollins aba ya keka Ingovo we apu
Akuyecha metetafo na me baton fish ewo asafo market ya me be wa no hwe me da bia no pa me so dia woyem tiama me awia ne ama me eto afufu anwuma so ne asebo me efiri se dum so ba me ba no fish adaka duasa ne akoto agu kwa eti na me ba no wonya sika ma me na me de didi efira no pa me ba me ni di yo eno ani bodo se hwan ana me du ha no mato bi die me ba nya sika ma me wo bo se ante se di adwuma no nya dum so abro wa de me na ye nyina firi dum so me ti asi me dem me sumu ho de mu ya ansa me da fom birim mama adai adia ni aye maya wa abro wanti wo ma me wanti se me a mama mi huna ma ni sei me te mi we demonstration me kon ma kwa kama sam so a kire mama no hu me mabo na dum so wonya na me be timi tan fish wonya sika matari ane adi ana ma ba bibia ne be te se ndc fo na sisei MPP fo sisei na nti wo mama MPP fo no ne se ne kura nyina ya MPP de wa mo beka ana nkrofo yo de ya ne kura nyina MPP me bati yesi baby di etombo engomo di anuma ko bu agu ni pa kura mu bugu ya wa de wa aboa what wona ne dai obi abu agu wa nya demonstration bibi a mo se MPP fo na ye de se ne ye woni pa wo mo woni pa che mo di a ene ya fe mu nsore so bibi a mo se MPP fo na ye de se ne ye woni pa wo mo woni pa che mo di a ene ya fe mu nsore so bibi a mo se MPP fo na ye de se ne ye woni pa wo mo woni pa che mo di a ene ya fe mu nsore so bibi a mo se MPP fo na ye de se ne ye woni pa wo mo woni pa che mo di a ene ya fe mu nsore so
yakeka me say ye de be shawti yakeka otoka no atwere gu ekire yakeka o nkofo na yakeka speculations no nom da sha akora de trim otan ni bia otan ni na je esa ya tete ne se omudidi nkomo na Obubisa kwa what did osian na dia na wodi ye. Also me ma me ko na okoto ntaw dokono entaw. Infrantifo dokuni entaw na wodi ye entaw dokono. Now entaw. Infrantifo se ye bracket obodo entaw into ma me de duane otumi toma o se di no entaw dokono. Infrantifo ntaw. Yakeka. Ade ala sata be do nyame ase so ma binyini wasanti bemu yakeka o ya de besa wo kon yakeka ai Kevin Ekoberi Taylor aka yakeka yakeka all these things
the NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated.